wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best coconut oil shampoos. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, Ren Pure Nourishing uses mild plant-based cleansing agents to gently remove buildup on the scalp, while coconut and argan hydrate and fight frizz. It's budget-friendly, and because you get 32 ounces, it should last you a long time. It's not tested on animals and is a gluten-free formula. However, the pump tends to break. At number 9, not only does Marc Hydrating have coconut as one of its main ingredients, it also has shea butter to hydrate and nourish. It's infused with keratin to help restore damaged locks, and it's also safe for color-treated hair. Some use it as a conditioner, and the formula lathers well, but it's not the best for fine hair. Coming in at number 8 on our list. In addition to coconut, OK Deep Moisturizing mixes in argan, avocado, and almond oils to create a formula that packs an extra hydrating punch. This balance of ingredients will leave you with a mane that's both beautiful and manageable. It doesn't feel greasy and adds life to thin locks. However, it doesn't last very long. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for coconut oil shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Hask Monoi Nourishing will help you achieve salon quality results without the high cost. A rejuvenating combination of oils not only strengthens tresses of all textures, but soothes the scalp and keeps follicles healthy too. It's certified gluten-free and safe to use on color-treated hair, but the fragrance is quite strong. Moving up our list at number 6. If social responsibility influences your purchasing decisions, Shea Moisture Daily Hydration's fair trade ingredients should appeal to you. And this shampoo and conditioner tufa contains acacia senegal to support elasticity. It has a softening effect and includes natural triglycerides for moisture. However, it can leave fine hair looking greasy. Halfway up our list at number 5, Honeydew All Natural cleanses and conditions at the same time. It contains strengthening protective fatty acids and is made using certified cruelty-free ingredients. It's formulated to help prevent hair loss and comes with a satisfaction guarantee, but it is drying on some hair types. At number 4, this Oleology nutrient-rich shampoo and conditioner pair will help you maintain a healthy scalp in addition to gorgeous hair. Their botanical extracts are gentle on the skin and leave behind a lovely fragrance for hours after each wash. They come with convenient pump dispensers, and the coconut oil used is organic. This may prevent split ends. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Palmer's Repairing can undo the damage caused by sun exposure, hot irons, and dyes. If your hair is in need of a mini spa treatment, this duo should do the trick. It's quite effective when it comes to controlling flyaways too. It contains keratin and makes knots easy to detangle. It doesn't strip away natural oils either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for coconut oil shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the formula in Garnier Whole Blends includes cocoa butter for an especially creamy texture. This one's paraben-free, so you don't have to worry about preservatives and their potentially harmful effects. It works well on curly hair, and there are 2 size options. It comes in a recyclable bottle. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Organix Extra Strength will take your locks from dull to shiny and lustrous in just a few washes. It reduces stubborn frizziness and boasts aromatic vanilla bean extract and essence of tiari to ensure you smell as good as you look. It contains no damaging sulfates and doesn't leave a residue behind. A little goes a long way. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for coconut oil shampoos, or simply click beneath this video.